What I'm about to share with you guys is something that could dramatically change your life. And the best part is you have to spend $0.
Yeah, boy!
What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today I'm going to be breaking down and take you guys step by step on how you can build a six-figure brand with $0. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can learn everything you need to know completely for free, how you can actually get started building your store, creating a store completely for free, how you can advertise your products completely for free, how you can just become a big baller completely for free. You see the trend here? But if that's something that interests you guys, make sure you guys have your pens, your pencils, your notebooks, you're just watch the video, bro. All right, so for you guys that do not know, I've started multiple different brands over the past couple of years. I've made videos about my do-rag brand that I started that I was able to scale to tens of thousands of dollars every single month of me just making money selling do-rags. And the whole same process I talked about in that video, I'm gonna go more in depth in this video and show you guys how you guys can actually do it for free, because I did not explain that in the last video because I was not even aware of it. But now I am, so I wanted to update y'all with the sauce so y'all can start making big bank completely for free. Now, first of all, if you watched that first video, I talked about how I'd hurt my leg, right? I'd hurt my leg. I had like fractured my ankle or my shin, something like that. I don't know, but I couldn't walk for like weeks. So I was stuck in bed and I was tired of just watching YouTube videos and Netflix videos. And somebody had popped up on my YouTube page about drop shipping. This guy named Scott Hilsey. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce his last name, but I started watching a bunch of his videos on YouTube, and then he offered a course. And I'm personally very into courses. I don't mind spending money on courses. People spend thousands of dollars in college and all that stuff, and they barely learn anything. I learned so much from courses, so I ended up actually purchasing his course for, I think, like $500 or something at that time. And after going through his course, I was actually able to rebrand my whole entire brand, learn how to market it correctly, and then that's when I started scaling it up and making $10, $20, $30, $40,000 a month just from selling do-rags. Now, I'm saying all that to say is that I'm going to go into depth on the step that you guys can go through without even spending a single dollar. You know what I'm saying? So the first step on building and starting your whole brand to start actually making money is you first need to be educated. Now, I told you guys I had personally purchased a course, but I did tell y'all this is gonna be for completely free. I keep doing this. This is a zero. This don't even look like a zero, but y'all know what the heck I'm doing for completely free. So you guys can actually get that same course that I had to pay $500 for free. I have a link for it. It's the first thing inside the description down below. It's no gimmicks, it's no scams, it's none of that weird stuff. You're not gonna be put onto an email list to get set to sign up for a mentorship or something like that. You get the literal same exact course that I bought for $500 like 3-4 years ago, whatever of that. Plus a new course that goes into more depth of what I'm gonna be talking about in this video, because I can't make this video like 5 years long, but more in-depth details of what I'm going to share with you guys in this video is inside that course. So if that's something that interests y'all can hit the link inside the description. Also it'll help you get set up with a free Shopify store. So like I said, $0 freaking dollars. You know what I'm saying? But after you went through the course, you know what I'm saying, you got the information, the free information. Now it's time to actually apply that information. So the first step you're going to need to actually do is figure out what product you want to sell. Now, this is not a super hard task. What you really want to do is figure out like a product that is kind of going viral. You can go on TikTok and search Amazon must-haves. You can go TikTok made me buy, search these different tag words and see what's like trending on TikTok, what videos are trending, what products are trending. You can start off with that, or you can go based off of something that you use kind of every day. You can think about an iPhone case. You can think about some speakers. You can think about don't do do-rags. I don't want to have to put you out of business. But literally anything. The sky is the limit. Just find the product that you will feel comfortable selling and promoting. All right, so once you figured out what product you want to sell, that's not a do-rag, you know what I'm saying? Now you need to set up some social media pages. Now for this strategy that I'm going to be talking about, like I said, the course goes way more in depth for it, but I would suggest you set up a TikTok account especially, and an Instagram account. You can set up a Facebook account as well for it, Twitter if you want, but I'm really like, my main focus is Instagram and TikTok, because that's where you're able to make nice viral content to get into that free advertisement that I'm going to talk about a little bit later in this video. Now, once you have your product and you made some social media accounts for this product that you're going to be posting on, now it's time to create a place where they can actually buy it. You need to create a Shopify website. Now, like I said, there are multiple different things when it comes to building a Shopify website. I literally just follow followed everything that was in the course that I had purchased. I did the same apps he had put, because there are certain apps that help with social proof, that make people more comfortable with like trusting your store, that give people a sense of urgency, like a countdown timer and all these different type of things, how to make your store look legit and all that. So you need to figure out a nice, simple website. You don't want something that's super complex. You don't want something that's all over the place. You want a website that flows smoothly, that when someone goes to your website, they know what you're selling and they know how to buy it. You don't want it to be 20 clicks till they get to buy it. You want it to be like 2 clicks. All they have to do is click 2 times on your website and they're already purchasing your product. So you need to create a Shopify website. Like I said, if you go to the link, first link inside the description, that goes with the free course, there's also a section there where you guys can sign up for a free Shopify trial. Because like I said, this is completely for free. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure how many days you get or how many weeks you get, but it's a good amount of time that'll give you enough time to get set up and actually start making money before you even have to pay for Shopify, which is, like I said, $0. Don't forget this thing. This look kind of sus. But anyways, once you've created that Shopify account, you want to make sure you add some nice apps on there. Like I said, I keep saying like this, it go more in detail inside the course. It's because it does. I can't make a 30-year long video, but the course goes in more depth about like good apps that you guys can use. But you definitely want apps for, well, my suggestion, you want apps where you can post reviews so people can see other people are actually enjoying the product, and make sure it's a good product and not a trash product, because you don't want bad reviews. You want an app that you can upsell on, as far as if you're selling a dog toy. There could be an app that every single time somebody buys this dog toy, it recommends they buy this dog toy that goes with that dog toy, so it just works out nicely. You end up making more money with one single customer. You also want a bunch of different like urgency apps that help people know that, okay, people are actually purchasing and I have to hurry up before this product is out of time. It gives that sense of like urgency, like, dang, buy this product now. So there are many different apps for that, but these are things that you kind of just have to look up and figure out what you want to have on your store and what flows good for your store, and especially the product that you're selling. And if you're doing more so drop shipping, as far as if someone purchases something on your website and then you're ordering it and sending it straight to them, there are apps on Shopify that can literally just automate the process for you, so you don't have to do it manually every single time. Me, I was never doing the drop shipping for my do-rags. I actually held the do-rags in stock, so I was one that was shipping them out. Well, I paid my little sister to do it, but she was the one that was shipping it out, so we were shipping it out. But like I said, there are apps that you can connect to your Shopify store that automate the whole process of drop shipping, if that is the route that you want to go. Now, this is the valuable part. This is how you're gonna make the freaking money. You know what I'm saying? We got set up, we got you your product. You know what you're selling, or the products that you're selling. You know what I'm saying? You created your social media accounts. You have your TikTok, you have your Instagram, you have your Twitter, you have your OnlyFans, whatever the heck it is. You know what I'm saying? You got your social media accounts set up. You now have your Shopify website set up, so now people can actually purchase it. You know what I'm saying? The next step is, how the heck we gonna get people to purchase it? Now, you've probably heard of Facebook ads. I used to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all that different type of stuff. I'm gonna say Instagram again. YouTube ads as well. There are multiple different ways where you can actually run ads to get it in front of people, to kind of show them your product and hopefully get them to purchase your product. But you have to pay for those ads. And I told you guys, remember this thingy? This is the zero. We're not spending no money. We're finna get rich for free. You know what I'm saying? So this is the fun part and the interesting part. So if you don't know, TikTok and Instagram Reels are extremely valuable as far as virality. I was practicing this word off camera. Virality, is that the word? Viralness, let's just say that. But it's very easy to go viral on TikTok if you just follow the trends. Same thing with Instagram Reels. YouTube Shorts is just now coming up, and they're getting pretty popular as well, so people are actually blowing up on there as well. But the reason why that is so powerful is that you can literally just create viral content that brings people to your TikTok account, your Instagram account, then have a call to action that allows them to purchase your products completely for free. You didn't have to pay for advertisement. All you did was follow other people's viral videos and then point them to your store. It's literally that simple. So kind of how I set up my funnel is I make 3 videos. Now, these videos are not like super viral videos. These are not videos that I want to go super viral. These are videos that basically show the product. They're normal videos. They're not super salesy, but they show the product and they show you how to purchase the product. They tell you to go to the link in my bio. They tell you to go to this website. They tell you all this different type of stuff. These are our 3 salesy videos. But like I said, not too salesy because you don't want to scare people off. But these are not our bangers. I'm going to talk about our bangers a little bit later. But create those 3 videos, 3 different types of videos. Don't do 3 of the same videos. And what you're going to want to do on your TikTok account and on your Instagram account, you're going to want to pin those 3 videos, because TikTok and Instagram lets you pin 3 videos at the top of your profile. So every time somebody goes to your either TikTok account or your Instagram account, those 3 salesy videos are at the top of your list. And the reason why that is so powerful is that now we can actually start creating viral content that will get people to go to our page and then see those salesy videos that directs them straight to our website, where they then purchase it completely for free from all of us. We didn't have to pay for advertisement. All we had to do was spend a little time copying other people's viral content and pointing them towards our page. Now you might be like, Josiah, Joovier, whatever the heck you call me, it's not that easy to go viral on TikTok or Instagram. It is. TikTok and Instagram Reels are extremely easy to go viral on. There are people with like 10 followers getting 100K views, people blowing up overnight, getting 100,000 followers overnight. And it's all in that algorithm. It's all due to TikTok's algorithm. It's all due to Instagram Reels algorithm. So if you could finesse the algorithm, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how right now, then you can capture those views, capture that audience, and capture that money. So now you might be asking, how do I find these viral videos to recreate? Listen, go on TikTok right now. I suggest when you're creating all your content that you record it from your phone. Don't record it on TikTok or on Instagram, because on TikTok, if you save the video, it'll have that little TikTok watermark on it. And then if you're using that same video to post to your Instagram, you don't really want that TikTok. I think it looks unprofessional personally. Obviously, you can do whatever the heck you want to do, but I don't like that TikTok watermark on my Instagram videos. So I just create all my videos just on my camera app, and then I'll edit it and post it on TikTok and Instagram Reels. So I am posting the same exact videos on TikTok and Instagram Reels. But how you find those videos to recreate is you go on TikTok, go on the search bar and type in something in your niche. So let's say, for example, we want to do dog toys, right? Type in dog toys you need, or TikTok made me buy these dog toys, or toys that my dog loves. Type that in the search bar. Then there's an area where you can choose what videos you want to see, whether in the past 24 hours, the past couple days, the past 7 days. I put it for the past month because you want relevant videos that have blown up. But you don't want videos that blew up 10 years ago. You want relevant videos, so I do it for the past month. Then I also filter it to most liked instead of relevant. Then I'll go through these videos, see which videos have the most engagement, see which videos have the most comments, the most likes, and then recreate those videos, but with my dog toy or whatever product that you're selling. Another great way to kind of get trending videos and hop on a trend is to look for trending sounds. Now on TikTok and Instagram Reels, there are trending sounds that if you put it on your video, it'll be shot out to multiple different people just because that sound right there is trending. So you can make videos using that sound and then just posting it on your social media accounts and hopefully going viral with that. Like I said, it's the same exact thing. You can go on Instagram and type in the same thing. Like I said, Instagram made me buy this dog toy. My dog loves this toy. Toys you need for your dog, Amazon toys that you need, whatever the heck it is, just kind of Google it, play with a couple keywords in your niche, and then copy those videos, recreate those videos. Obviously, don't just go word for word what people are saying, but copy it as best as you can with still being original with your product. Now, after creating 10, 15, 20 videos, you should be gaining some traction. You might have got lucky and went viral a couple times, getting 10K views, 100K views, 1 million views. And once you're at that point, you need to keep creating content. Because remember, the more videos you put out, the more people are seeing your content and being intrigued to check out your profile, which then leads them to those 3 pinned videos that kind of sell your product and kind of make them click that link in your bio to purchase your product, and then you just made money from making a couple TikToks and Instagram Reels. Now, with the viral videos, you do want to have a call to action, whether it's in the comments or at the end of the video, but you don't want to be super heavy like, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go buy this thing right now. You know what I'm saying? You could just say, if you enjoyed this video, check out my pinned comments, my pinned videos for more. And that's a soft kind of call to action that doesn't kind of force people or make it seem very salesy to people. You can either say that at the end of your videos, or you could you can pin that in the comment. If you comment on your own video, just pin it inside the comments down below. And then when people kind of open up the comments, because most people that watch videos, they open up comments, they'll see your comment at the top and kind of be intrigued to go click on your pinned video and then like I said, that whole funnel just takes them straight to your website where they purchase the product. But that is really the end of the steps. You need to just keep putting out that content. Don't get discouraged if 10 videos don't pop off. Don't get discouraged because 15 videos or 20 videos don't pop off. Keep going, because at the end of the day, it's free promotion for your brand. You're going to start seeing some traction as long as you have a good product, a good website setup, and you're making quality videos and you're following the trend of these videos in your niche. But like I said, the course goes way more into depth about all of this. I could not make this video 30 minutes. I mean, 30 minutes. It probably is 30 minutes. I don't know, but 30 hours long. So if you guys need a little bit more guidance on it, I definitely would suggest you guys check out the course. Also, you guys can get access to that whole free Shopify trial thing, so you don't have to spend money to get started on Shopify. If you go to that link that's inside my bio, I believe if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's a video that kind of explains how you get the course and everything for free. It just kind of walks you through on what buttons to click. It's not like you got to do anything crazy. Then right under that, it's a link to sign up for like the Shopify for free and all that, so you guys can get access to literally everything, like I said, completely for free. Remember this, I'm not doing this no more. That don't look right. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hopefully I was able to break it down for you guys pretty plainly, pretty simply. And obviously, if you need more hand holding, the course is available for y'all completely for free. I wish somebody had gave it to me for free, but hey, I definitely made my money back after spending money on the course. But you know, free is better than not free. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all want to see my whole journey about scaling my company, scaling my brand to tens of thousands of dollars, I actually had talked about this course that I bought and that I'm telling you guys about today in my previous video. I highly suggest you guys watch this video right here to see and my breakdown of how I was able to scale my company to tens of thousands of dollars every single month. But that's really about it. I'm gonna see you on the next video, man.